Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you guys how to create a monthly budget using Cleo. Cleo's budgeting features helps you to stay on track by showing how much you can safely spend after factoring in your bills, income, and savings goals. So here's a step-by-step guide to create a monthly budget. First you got to do is open the Cleo app. So just go to the Cleo app and open that up, and then once it's open and you're logged in, you're gonna go to the budget tab, or you could just type set up budgets in the chat. Now, Cleo will ask for key information, your monthly income, your recurring banks and your recurring bills and subscriptions, sorry, and your savings goals. Of course, all these informations are useful, so go ahead and provide them accurately. And once that's done, Cleo then calculates your left to spend budget. This is how much is safe to use on flexible spendings, like grocery, entertainment, and whatnot. And you can also customize your budget if you want. You can manually adjust your income or bill entries. Just type change my budget in the chat if Cleo miscalculates. Cleo will then monitor your daily and weekly spendings to keep you on track. Now, what happens next? Well, you're going to receive weekly updates and alerts when you're about to overspend. And the budget resets per every pay cycle or monthly, of course, depending on what settings that you've set. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough, at least, to some extent. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.